sir. Y'all see it. Y'all notice when I got in the truck, it was beeping to say low air pressure. You know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna show y'all what y'all gotta do, and I'm gonna tell y'all where I found the leak at. See that valve right there? That purple line right there? So that's where the air was leaking from. So all I do is, you know what I'm saying, I get my trusty soap and water. And of course you can go by air and you can, you know what I'm saying, hear it. And that's how I found it. Hissing sound. So not only did I spray down all the tanks and everything just to make sure the peacocks wasn't, uh-oh, I see a little bubbles right here, guys. I don't know if y'all just seen that. I was just talking. Some of this stuff through vibration, it'll make it get loose. We'll let that, I think it got a little small hiss coming from right there on this secondary tank. Y'all see down there that purple line? It was leaking. You know what I'm saying? You just spray it down. A little soap and water. Just like you fixing the flat tire. You know what I'm saying? Straight like that. So we don't got no more leaks. And another way to check it is we're gonna let it sit for a couple minutes, and then we're gonna go in the truck. So when I turned it off, I had 150 pounds of air pressure. So it should hold still at the same pressure in a couple minutes. So we're gonna let the truck sit for a minute, man. We're gonna get to it and go back in the truck and check it out and see if we fixed the issue. Cause I know the driver got tired of every time he got out of his truck, you know what I'm saying, go to the restroom, go get something to eat, that he gotta wait to air the truck back up to get it going, man. So y'all stay tuned, we're gonna get to it. Alright, y'all, we're gonna get in this thing. We're gonna start it up and see what we looking like. Let's close the door and stop all that beeping. So y'all see what we looking at? Look at our air pressure. So if we had low air pressure by now, it'd be saying it. You know what I'm saying? Look at our air pressure. Still the same, guys. So that means that I fixed the problems. You gotta be a master of your abilities, man. You know what I'm saying? Who wanna have a truck with leaky air? No good. No good, no good, no good. And also leaking air is also gonna cause the compressor on the truck to work a little harder, kind of like an alternator. It's constantly going and going and going and going and going when it should be purging and shutting on and off, you know what I'm saying, as air is being used and applied. So y'all see what time it is, man. Make sure y'all stay tuned, man. Lit situation going on. Let's get it.